Oh yeah, guys, what's up, man? This is a boy Dennis here again. Today I'm coming with a brand new video that's going to help you to start making money online as soon as possible. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you smash the like button, you comment, and also subscribe so that you'll be able to get my videos in the future. So make sure also you turn the notification bell so that YouTube will send you a message whenever I drop a new video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So today I'm coming with videos that are going websites that are going to help you to start making money as soon as possible. So stick with me till the end. I'm going to show you step by step on what to do to start making money as soon as possible. But guys, what I have to tell you is this website that I'm going to review and tell you about, they are not going to make you rich. Let me make it clear. They are not going to make you rich. If you are looking for something to make your life on, this one are just for the starter, for surviving only, but it won't be your main source of income, because these ones are only surveys and some great stuff. But if you are looking to start making money straight away, if you are really interested, just let me know, then I'll tell you. I have something for you which can help you to start making money, a lot of money that you can do for your living, because what I do, I always make money online using affiliate marketing. That's what I do. I hope you guys see, some of you have seen my proof of earnings and some other stuff. So yeah, that's it. So without wasting our time, what we do here basically, when you come here, this is a website number one. It's called surveytime.io. This is a website that you earn money by completing surveys that you can, as you can see, get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. So each and every survey that you complete to this website, you just get $1 straight to your account. So for you to start getting paid, what you have to do, you need to have a PayPal account. Make sure you create a PayPal account. Just go to Google and type paypalaccount.com and create an account there. Then you are good to go. Then what you have to do for you to start making money in this website, make sure you just put your email address and you can start and finish all the steps where they're telling you. So that's it, guys. So this website is legit. You can get paid via Bitcoin, Amazon, StartCard, and PayPal, Coinbase. So, those are the things that you can get paid. And these are some reviews for the people who are getting money right now when we are talking. As you can see, this Oprah Queen she say, best survey site worldwide. I have tried the dozens of survey sites, but none will ever come closer to survey time. They have regularly surveys, and the amazing thing is one does not have to wait to reach a certain amount to withdraw the cash. It pays instantly. So this is amazing, guys. Just make sure you click, you sign up, everything, then you are good to go. People are liking this website. It is clear, 100% is legit. There's nothing to worry about. So the website number two is it's called earnybird.com. In this website, you also make it similar to the first one. What you have to do is, as you can see, you can just read everything here. They said, we reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks and watching videos and answering surveys. So in this one, you earn money in three or four type. Four type. There's four types of earning money in this website. So you also earn money watching videos. You earn money by completing surveys, and also by completing simple tasks as well. So this is amazing, guys. But for me, for you guys, as you know me, man, what I do, I like watching videos. So I prefer watching videos than surveys, because I enjoy watching videos. So that you can do the same. You can just go and you start watching videos, then you're good to start making money as well. So for you to start making money also on this website, what you need to do is make sure you have a PayPal account, as I said to the previous, and you're good to go. What you have to do, you just come here, it says sign up, put your login details, your information, everything, then you are good to go and start doing what they're telling you. So that's it, guys. This is a website number 2. It's called earnbuy.com. So you can go and register to this website. Let's go to the website number 3 without wasting our time. The website number 3, it's called the Vibrant Life. This is the website that there's a lot of information that you can do here. What you have to do, this is the website that you create a content to the other people's. As you can see here, there's a lot of things here. There's you can choose a niche, what you have to do for you to start making money and vibrant. So you just, they're gonna hire you actually to this website. What they're gonna tell you, they're gonna say, okay, create maybe content for us, like for health and wellness. Then they're gonna tell you what to write, just from your head. You're gonna do that, but there is a what you can do is you just write in what maybe they're gonna tell you we need the 1,000 words, and once you're done writing those words, then you're good to go. This one at least you can earn a little bit of money than in these surveys, because this one it pays a big money. You know, writing is not easy. So once you complete those writings, then you're good to go. So without wasting much time, let's go to the website number 5, the last one. This one, it's called moneypantry.com. This is a website that you can also make money. It is similar to the previous one. They say let's go down and see what they're saying. They say Money Pantry is a personal financial blog with a focus of helping you earn and save money, more money. We score the world to bring you extraordinary, unusual, yet practical ways of making and saving more of that all important. Let me see how you can make money. Okay, yeah. Make money. As you can see here, if you scroll down, there's a lot here, say 81 legit ways to make money. If you click here, you go and start working there. And this one also say 150 legitimate work from home jobs, hiring. All these guys you can go through and join them. They say here there's a 49 high paying online surveys sites to earn extra cash. That's what I like about this app. This app is amazing. There's a lot of websites which are offering jobs that they can help you to start making money as soon as possible. Just make sure you go to this website and go step by step by yourself to check what you suit for, you know. So this is it, guys. There's a lot of things in this website. That's why I like this website as well. But you're going to go through by yourself and start checking yourself what it can suit you, so that you can start making money as soon as possible. This is what I came up with today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. You like, if you like this video, also make sure you comment down below. I'll be able to answer every kind of question that you guys are asking. So thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.